How to calculate payback period in Excel spreadsheet we will learn in this video. So let's get started. We have a questions, this one, and this is our computation table. Based on this information, we will calculate the cumulative CFAT and the note column. Actually, I have put this column to make the sheet dynamic or automated, right? And this is the payback period formula that can be calculated by using this equation, which is the minimum year plus cumulative CFAT during the minimum year divided by CFAT after minimum year. Okay, and here we will put the value by using the Excel functions. Okay, and the final answer will be shown here. Okay, so let's start from the first one, that is this one. Okay, so to calculate the CFAT, it can be calculated by simply by using the sum function in Excel. So press the equal to sign, write the sum, press the tab and click here and press the F4 key. Okay, now press the colon. Okay, now press the close parenthesis, but you can see here before pressing the enter key, you can see here our cell reference has been changed. So click here and now press the F4 key to absolute reference. Okay, and now click here, now press the enter key. Alright, now click here and drag from here to here. Okay, now let's calculate the note column. Okay, and it can be calculated by simply, actually I have created this column to show the negative value here only. Okay, so here I will use the if function to display our negative value here. Okay, so let's calculate it. So press the equal to sign, write the if function, press the tab and let's make the condition. If this one is less than 0, then this value will be shown here, otherwise I will show the dash here. Okay, so type dash between the quotation mark. Now press the close parenthesis, now press the enter key. Alright, now click here and drag from here to here. Alright, you can see we will only show the negative value here. Alright, now let's move on to our formula sections, that is the payback periods formula. So first let's calculate the minimum year, and it can be calculated by using the index and match function in Excel. Okay, so let's calculate it. So press the equal to sign, tap the index and now press the tab and I will select this one because I will get the value from here. Okay, so because we are calculating the minimum year, so we will select this one, we will get the value from this column, so select this one. Okay, now press the F4 key, comma, type the match function here, now press the tab and we will look up value, we will look up this value. Okay, so I'm going to select this one and click here and now press the subtraction here. All right, to make the equal value, that is in the negative value. Okay, now press the comma and look up area, we will look up the value from here. Okay, now press the F4 key to absolute reference, comma, and put the value 0 to exact match. Now close parenthesis, now press the again close parenthesis and now press the enter key. Alright, you can see here we have not gotten any numbers. Okay, because there is no any number here. Okay, when we will calculate this cell, the value will be automatically shown here. If you want to remove this error, you can put the if error function here. So let's add the if error function. So if error, type here and now press comma and press the double quotation marks to remove this error, and now close parenthesis, now press the enter key. Alright, okay, now let's calculate the cumulative CFAT during the minimum year. Okay, that is at this year. Okay, so click here and it can be calculated by simply identifying the max function from this from this column. Okay, so press the equal to sign, type the max here and now select from here to here. Okay, and now press the close parenthesis and now press the F4 key to absolute reference. Okay, and before the pressing the enter key, we will add the ABS function to make the value in absolute form or positive form. Okay, and now press the close parenthesis, now press the enter key. Alright, you can see here. Now let's calculate the CFAT after minimum year. So press the equal sign, write the if function, and let's make this condition. If this equals to this one, I have used the ABS function to convert this value into positive one. Okay, then what will happen? This one. Similarly, if this equals to this one, then what will happen? This one. And make all the condition from these cells. Okay, so I'm going to make all the things one by one. And now press the enter key. Alright, we got it. We can see that we have the 1500 CFAT after minimum year. You can see there this one. So this value is showing here. Alright, now let's put this value into a single cell to get the exact value of payback period. Okay, so press the equal to sign, write the parentheses, now click here plus again press the open parentheses. Now this one divide by this one, now press the close parenthesis, and now again press the close parenthesis. Before I press the enter key, let's add the round function here to show the value up to two decimal places. So I'm going to add this one, and now press comma and press the value 2 and now close parenthesis. And let's add a one word called years, because we will show the value in years, right? So press the and percentage here, and now open quotation mark, and now type years, and now press the close quotation mark, and now press the enter key. Alright, you can see here, but I'm going to give a one space to show the word clearly. Alright, you can see that we have 2.67 years as a payback period based on these cash flows and investment amount. Okay, and guys, let me tell you that our this sheet is totally dynamic. If you will change this value from any number from 10,000 to any other numbers, the value will be automatically changed here. Suppose I'm going to type 15,000 here. You can see here. Alright, the value is automatically changed. You can see here minimum year we have 4 years. You can see here. So at this year we have the 5 cumulative CFA amount is 500 in a positive absolute form. Okay, after minimum year 2000, you can see that this one. Alright, so guys, this sheet is totally dynamic, and it's easy to calculate it. That's all for now. If you have any query regarding this video, please let me in the comment box below, and if you find it useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Signing off.